In this video, we are going to see how we can check someone's location in Google Maps. And it is a very simple technique on how you can enable that feature. And without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So all you have to do is just click on this profile icon on the top right. And here we want to hop over to the location sharing option. Click on that. And here, if you want to share your location, you want to click on share location, and you can enable it for 1 hour until you turn this off. And we also have these suggestions. So if these particular persons have shared their location, you can just click on this and then you can see their location. But just remember that the location sharing option might expire after 1 hour or after a day, however they have made the settings. So by the time you click on that suggestions, time might be expired. So just keep in mind about that. And it says stay connected, share your real-time locations with friends and family. They can see where you are, or similarly, you can see where they are by just going to this area. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.